My name is Taylor. I've been coming to VYVE Wellness for about 10 months now. I came as a chronic migraine patient. I was having migraines for about 15 days out of the month. They were lasting anywhere from 7 to 10 days at a time. So I came to see Dr. Haas and his very knowledgeable staff, and they started me with IV nutrient therapy. So I began receiving IVs with magnesium, riboflavin, and other great nutrients to help with my migraine pain. And over the last 10 months, I've been coming consistently once a week, and my migraines have significantly reduced. My overall health is a lot better. I have higher energy levels, and I just feel so much better than when I started. So I can't thank Dr. Haas and his awesome staff enough for what they've done for me on my health journey, and I highly recommend coming to VYVE Wellness.